Fuck no. Where's the sponsor? Fuck me, it's done. When was that?
Saying unload. And look at this. Wait, don't open it. Oh! I'm gonna piss. Wait.
Oi, put it on for a little.
Oh, you fucking broke it.
Fuck off. Oh, this is so. I'm leaving.
Don't leave me.
I'm gonna go sit in the car. Fuck. Fuck.
Oh, my.
Put it on for another cycle. Oh, out of order. Oh, you fucking wrecked. That's not funny. These cameras are here.
There's no cameras. It's the creek.
Oh, CCTV.
Where?
It's hidden. Look, you're too trouble for them. That's the thing.
Wait, what the fuck do we do? Like, for real?
Oh, you wrecked it.
Oh, my stomach.
You're going to have to put them in those.
Oh, my stomach.
The smaller ones and split it. Oh. Wait, should we try and catch it in the rubbish bin?
Well, maybe.
Why the fuck am I here? I should have said no. How did you make this so bad?
I don't know what to do.
Tell your mum to come.
Tell my mum to come. Oh, fuck.
Oh, sis.
Oh, you've gone and done it.
No, you're gone and done it.
You've gone and fucking done it.
No, you're fixed now.
You've gone and done. I'm gonna ring my mum because fuck, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, no, stop the video. Fucking why are you videoing it? It's there.